So the skirt, oh my gosh. Come on, try again. Let's go. Come on. Hey guys, what's up? It's Mac and Jack. Welcome back to our channel. If you're new, thanks so much for stopping by and watching this video. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more DIY fashion and sewing videos. And also don't forget to turn that notification bell on so you don't miss out on a future upload. Today's video is a tie-dye styling video, and it's more of an alternative fashion video, I guess, but really it's just me. This is what I like, and I wanted to do a tie-dye video because tie-dye is pretty popular right now, and I've always liked tie-dye even when it's not in. Like, I just wear what I want, I don't care. But I did want to do this video to give you guys some ideas on how to style tie-dye and the different types of tie-dye. What I'm gonna do is show you guys 3 different outfits that I have picked out from my closet, and some of them you've probably seen before if you've watched my videos or if you follow me on Instagram. But a lot of these outfits, I have made some of these pieces, and some of them you can buy. But the idea of the video is just to give you inspiration so you can style your own look, and I hope you guys can take ideas from this video and make it your own style and have fun with it. Just do what you want. You know, you can pair tie-dye with anything, and I'm just going to show you guys how I wear it. This is what I personally like. The first outfit idea I want to do is a tie-dye on tie-dye look. What I'm wearing now is a tie-dye tank top that I actually got from Goodwill, and then the skirt I did make, and they're both tie-dye prints. So I just wanted to show you guys how you could pair those together. I absolutely love the tie-dye on tie-dye look because it is just so fun, and it's so different because a lot of things that I've seen are the matching tie-dye sets, which are super cute, by the way. I do love those. But just to try something different is so much fun. It's a chance to think outside the box and be creative. And you know, you can pick any tie-dye prints together. You can do shorts, you can do a skirt. Like, I mostly wear skirts. I'm sure you guys have noticed that I usually wear skirts. Sometimes I'll wear pants or shorts, but very rarely. Let's go ahead and move on to the second look. Okay, so this second look you guys have probably seen in my video before because I did a Dolls Kill haul video and I had this outfit in it. It's been months ago, but I wanted to pair it with this tie-dye jacket or this kimono because I just thought it went so well together. So I'll link below where you can get this top and pants and this jacket as well. But the only thing with this kimono, jacket, whatever you want to call it, it's actually a t-shirt that I got from AliExpress, and all I did was cut it in the middle and just hem the sides. But with this certain material, you don't have to hem it, it doesn't fray. So if you wanted to get it and make it into a tie-dye jacket like I did, then you can do that, or you can just wear it as a t-shirt. It's super cute either way. So the idea is just adding a tie-dye jacket with whatever you want to add it with. I mean, it can be blue jeans and a t-shirt. You know, it can be a skirt, it can be pants like this, it can be a matching set. I just wanted to do the jacket because it's just such a cool item, and I just wanted to show this off. And it's super comfortable too. It's really soft material, and I think it was only like $11 on AliExpress. And like I said, I'll link it below where you can purchase it. Here is the final and third look, and it is supposed to be a denim with pattern with tie-dye look. So I wanted to pair this denim vest with it because I thought it would just really pop with it, and it does. I really like all these colors together. I got this denim vest from Plato's Closet, which is a thrift store. I got it years ago. And then the print that I have on is a Trolls skirt. It is a skirt that I made a few months ago, and the fabric is from Joann. And the top that I have on, it is from Dolls Kill, and it's not exactly a tie-dye print, but I thought it was close enough because it's got all the different colors in it. But if you wanted to pair it with a tie-dye shirt, you know, but I thought it was tie-dye looking enough, and I wanted to do different prints of tie-dye and colors and patterns, so just to mix it up a little bit. I will link below where you can buy this shirt, but as far as the skirt goes, you'll have to message me if you want a custom order for that, or you can make it yourself. So that is it for this video. I really hope you guys enjoyed it, and I hope you found inspiration to create your own tie-dye outfits. Don't forget to like this video and comment. Tell me what you thought about it. Jack and I will see you in our next video.